how to update your details and upload your company logo. Punta po sila dito sa icon. Then, click my profile. Then, click natin yung edit profile. Ayan. Then, ayan. Yung first name natin, then yung last name, then yung email address. Yung email address is not editable po siya. I-call ninyo or i-email ninyo yung sales support natin to edit. Then yung contact number ninyo. Then yung company name ninyo, pwede nyo siyang i-edit. Then company address. Then address, city, state, then the country, postal code, then yung GST number, then UID number kahit 4 na 0 na lang. Then yung avatar, ito po yon. Yung picture ninyo. Pwede ninyo din siyang palitan. Then logo image URL, click lang po ninyo yung upload logo. Then choose file. Then ayun. Then click save. Congrats, record saved successfully. Then ayan, click lang po natin yung home para makita natin na na-change na yung company logo natin. Ayun. Then every booking ninyo, makikita na yung company logo ninyo and then your company name.